welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing another unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and I am so excited because I got another item from the Game On collection. So I don't know, this is probably my fourth item from the collection. I mean, it's so obvious, is it not, that I do love the print, and I totally love the design, and I don't know, I was just probably obsessed with it. But anyway, I did probably post on my community on YouTube if you could guess what is my latest purchase from Louis Vuitton. I don't think you guys will be able to guess. I'm not sure if there's probably somebody already has a video on this item on YouTube, but this particular item that I'm about to show you guys is something that I have been eyeing. Not exactly this, but it's similar on the Louis Vuitton website for a long time. I mean, I don't know, because there's something in this item that I find it attractive though. So anyway, I have the box here. This is the packaging. I got lucky that my sales associate helped me get this. I mean, it probably took them at least probably a couple of weeks though. So anyway, it is here, and I am so excited to show you what I got for the Game On collection. So let me undo the ribbon. Oh my goodness. Oh, by the way, before I pick this one up, they have already showed the item for me just to inspect if this is exactly what I wanted. And I said, yes, it is. And then they wrapped it. But anyway, it's just like a quick glance though. But I was just so excited. So let me show you. Oh my gosh. So it comes with a dust bag, and to reveal, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. So excited. Well, I'm always excited with my unboxings ever since. Okay, here's the item. Look at that. Oh my gosh. It is so gorgeous, guys. Oh my goodness. Look at that pouch right there. It's stunning. Wow. Oh my gosh. The color for this is so vibrant. I mean, the white multicolor and then this one here in the flap actually complements perfectly. Oh my gosh. I can't believe it. So I'm just going to give you a closer look of this item. So this is a Game On playing cards and a pouch. ARSÈNE. Oh my goodness. She is so pretty, guys. Oh my gosh. So this is part of the 2021 Game On Cruise collection. Wow. So stunningly beautiful. I'm just going to show you the pouch first. And okay. So right here. So this one came in with the stud closure. So the snap closure in here, which has this Louis Vuitton engraved rivets. So let me see. Okay, it's right here. It has an engraved Louis Vuitton, and also right here, the gusset as well. Wow. Very lovely. So this one right here in the flap is made up of cowhide leather, and the rest is in canvas. So the one that has a multicolor print and white is canvas. Oh my gosh. So I got the one, so the Louis Vuitton Paris made in France. So I got the made in France one. Wow. I just like that they put this here, the logos right here, where it's manufactured at the back. I just really find it so stunning. Just like that. Sometimes they put it in the inside, but I kind of like it right at the back. So anyway, so let's open this. So look at this beautiful, vibrant red interior lining, guys. Wow, amazingly beautiful. It's stunning. Look at that. Wow, the color is so vibrant. It's made of, this one is microfiber. It's really, really soft and smooth. Wow, it feels, and it looks so luxurious. And I think that, let me see, the leather, this is really thick. I just really find this one so thick though. The canvas and the leather, really thick material. Wow. So, okay, so I have the product information here. So if you're interested, this is G10584. So this is a Game On monogram playing cards and pouch ARSÈNE. And here we go. I'm about to show you the playing cards. I mean, I don't know. I mean, my sales associate actually told me that, girl, this is not a card holder. This is a playing cards that came in the pouch. I said, yes, I am aware of that, but I wanted this. I wanted to add this one in my collection. But in my head, I have been eyeing this for a long time, but not in this print. It is in monogram, and also it's a mixture of the canvas and the leather as well, which is and the color is probably in cherry or more of like a red color, and also with in monogram. And I don't know, I didn't really find that one attractive. It's because I already have a lot of monogram in my collection, the classic monogram I mean, and I just really wanted something a pop of color, something new. And this one so far is something that I could not really pass this particular item, guys. I mean, it is stunningly beautiful. So anyway, this is not a card holder, but the reason why I purchased this, because I will be using this as a card holder. I already know that the card would fit in here. My credit cards and my ID would fit in here because, well, I have playing cards at home. And I already compared it, and if this card would fit in this pouch, I'm pretty sure that the credit cards would fit as well. So anyway, I am so excited for this. Oh my gosh. I thought I'm not going to be able to get this because when I messaged my sales associate, she told me that it has been sold out, but you could still order. They have to check the warehouse. And I already did my deposit, and it's been like a week has passed, and I said probably I'm not going to be able to get this, because usually with the new released items, usually they were able to source it out in a couple of days or so. So shock. I was astonished that they were able to source this one out for me. And oh my gosh. So anyway, so this is the playing cards. Let me just put this one aside. So it came with this playing cards. Oh, okay. So this has been sealed with this film in here. So look at the cards, guys. Oh my gosh. And oh my gosh, this is like, oh my gosh, I can't believe it. What can I say? Look at those cards. Look at the print at the back. It's right here. So this is the multicolor in black. Beautiful, stunningly so beautiful. Oh my gosh, it's so amazing. The monogram flowers are amazingly beautiful. This is in black. So I got this one here. It's a Joker. Wow. Look at that. I'm so surprised. Wow. Okay. Well, this is actually, it's a little bit heavy though. It has a weight to it. And you can actually feel that the paper that they use for the cards is luxurious. It actually has a really nice feel to it. But I know this one is made up of paper. And yeah, it feels great. It's really, really, as you can see there, it's slippery. I mean, I don't know. It just feels so luxurious. I mean, so look at the corner. This one has those gold foil on the edge. So this one is really gold. I could see my reflection in it. Really, really nice. So those are gold ones. Look at that. Oh my gosh. This playing cards feels and it looks so luxurious. Oh my gosh. It's amazingly beautiful. Wow. The reason why I got it, it's because I love collecting SLGs. I don't know, I just find the small leather goods really cute. And I think this one is so cute. I just love it. It's amazingly beautiful. So this is the side. Look at the side. The detail on the side is really nice. It's the same colors in the interior. Yeah, this is just a large pocket on the inside. Just like that. Really, really smooth. Really, really soft. It feels so luxurious. Beautiful. Stunningly beautiful. And this one has the glazing around it. But let me just take a look at the glazing. Oh yeah, the glazing is actually perfectly done. Okay. Yeah, I think the glazing is perfectly done. Let me just inspect it for a little bit. Wow, very nice. And the material that they use for this is actually thick and it feels durable. It actually feels durable though. I mean, with this pouch and with these cards in it, yes, I must say that, I mean, yeah, it looks very, very luxurious though. I mean, it's just, it's crazy. So this is how it looks with all those cards inside. Wow, I just can't get over how pretty those cards. Oh my goodness. Really nice. So these are some of those cards. I'm going to show you a little bit. Just like that. Some of the prints, the clubs, some of those. Yes, at least you got an idea. The flowers and everything. It's king. Really, yeah, really cute. So, and also all of these came in with this black multicolor though. I like it. I just love the combination of these two together. Yeah, I think it's so beautiful. So anyway, now that because the reason why I got this, because I wanted to use this as a card holder. So let me show you some of, I probably have some cards in here. Let me just get some of my credit cards and see how the credit cards would fit inside, okay? Got some cards here. So this is the size of the credit card. And let me just put this one inside. Wow. It just fits perfectly. Perfectly. Wow. And it's not snug. But yeah, it still has like a little bit of room in it. So let me just show it to you. Just hold on. So this is the credit card and it will just, yeah. So it has a lot of room inside. I don't know how many cards you could actually fit inside though. I'm not sure, but it could fit a lot. I'm pretty sure this could fit a lot, a ton of credit cards inside. I am sure about that. Oh my gosh, I am so surprised. So this is the comparison of, so this is the card And this is a credit card. Well, this is not a credit card. This is a gift card that I have. And pretty much like almost on the same size though. So almost like. So this is what I was thinking before I purchased this, that I have a card at home. I think the ones from, I think the bicycle ones, the old ones that I have. And I tried to compare it and put it, so like this one actually almost the same size. So the credit card would fit. But yes, it fits perfectly. And I am so happy that I was able to get it with this color. The color is so vibrant. It's so beautiful. Look at the color combination. Absolutely stunning. Wow. And also the gold foil that they use in it. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And the date code is, let me just see if the date, yeah. So the date code is inside, but this one is actually made up of leather, and also this one is leather. And yes, the date code is right at the corner. It's also in gold foil as well. Yes. Oh my gosh, I mean, I ran out of words. I don't even know what else to say, but I am so surprised that I could use this beautiful, beautiful pouch on playing cards. And yeah, it seems to the stitching though, right there you can see the stitching is very well done. Beautiful, nice contrast. And yeah, this leather here is smooth. So yeah, you could actually see there the crease. But that doesn't bother me. I mean, that's just normal for leather. But of course, the crease would go away if you close it. Very nice. Oh my gosh, this is such a stunning piece. I did not really expect it at all. I mean, I don't know. It's probably because of my obsession with the print itself. I mean, I have to have it. I don't know why, but well, worth it? Not yet. I don't know. I couldn't even tell if it's worth it. It's because I haven't really used this one yet. But as far as like for somebody that has, I mean, I have several collections with Louis Vuitton small leather goods. I must say it's definitely worth it. And if I'm not mistaken, I think this is $590, but of course you still have to pay for tax. And a little over $600 for this, and I think it's worth it. So I'm so happy I got this, and it came with this cards. Really, really nice. Really, really nice. And this one really feels luxurious though. It has a really like, it looks expensive and it feels expensive. And look at the gold foil in it. Wow, it's amazing. So anyways, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.